And now we're gonna show you how FlyPenny actually works. It works globally and is connected to more than 100,000 video cameras and 9,000 airports around the world, as well as large retail networks like IKEA and Metro cash and carry. So, when passing a camera without speeding and obeying all the traffic regulations, you get gratitude bonus on your smartphone in the amount of 1 penny to be used as a discount in one of the stores or gas stations that participate in the project around the globe. All you need is to have a smartphone with you with the internet connection and geolocation data and the app itself. FlyPenny provides personalization with the customer from the early stage. When the customer gets to the checkout area of a retail store, she is greeted by her name, and this in turn leads to a better customer journey. Moreover, the service has social value because it stimulates people for right actions. FlyPenny is a useful tool for attracting offline traffic into retail stores after the end of the quarantine, and this is very important. Being a FlyPenny participant, you can share FlyPennies and receive them from other people. FlyPenny is an efficient tool that raises customer loyalty by gratifying customers for their good actions anywhere. And look, it has a pretty friendly interface.